It's the land of soup dumplings, steamed crabs, and sweet and sour fish. The food in this region is known for its clean, light flavors and fresh seafood from the river and sea. This is the food of Jiangsu and Shanghai. Chinese food is more than just stir-fries, noodles, and dumplings. I'm Clarissa, and I'm taking you on a journey through China to try authentic Chinese food region by region. First, where exactly is Jiangsu? It's a province in the southeastern part of China. Shanghai is just outside of Jiangsu and is heavily influenced by its cuisine. Known as the land of fish and rice, this region is anchored by waterways, so you can expect lots of freshwater fish and crustaceans. These two lakes in particular are famous for their seafood. They're also breeding grounds for aquatic vegetables, like lotus root and water chestnut. But what really sets this region's food apart is spectacular knife work.
家鸭、野鸭和鸽子都是很常见的食材，但是它是用很复杂的刀法去把家鸭、野鸭和鸽子的骨头全部剔除以后，保留了这个鸭子和鸽子完整的形态。
And it's not just poultry that's processed with fancy knife skills. There's also finely sliced tofu and this fish carved into the shape of a squirrel.
食材不会太奢华，但是又可以用很复杂工艺去达到这个所需要的效果。
We know Jiangsu food looks good, but what about the flavor profiles? Compared to other regions in China, the food tends to be rather sweet.
我们做菜的时候，一般比如做红烧小排、红烧肉。 那会用到生抽、老抽、冰糖这三个最基本的，会去调制成这样一个红烧汁的效果的。
This sauce is used to make dishes like red-braised pork and red-braised duck. Even soup dumplings have a hint of sugar. Soup dumplings are arguably this region's most famous export. They're delicate pockets of pork and soup wrapped into a thin wheat skin. And they come in different sizes, depending on where they're from. This version from Youngsil is so big that it requires a straw. So, why is everything so sweet?
第一是有那个经济的原因，经济原因就是我们知道在前工业时代，一个国家经济最繁荣的地方必然是首都周围，或者说吃甜食是一种很方便的方式去炫耀自己这样的一个经济实力。所以当时中国首都在北方，所以北方可以更加好的去获取更多的物产。 那么后来因为一些原因，比方说靖康之变啊、宋史南迁，那么首都慢慢的开始往南方迁了到南京和杭州这一带地方，那么物产也会往这些地方来聚集，这个是田口南迁的第一个原因。
You can expect to find lots of desserts in this part of China, like pangyuan, sweet rice balls in soup garnished with osmanthus flowers, and sticky sweet rice cakes. So visit this region if you're looking for delicate flavors, fresh seafood, and sweet dumplings. Up next, we're going to go on a food tour of Shanghai and reveal the best soup dumplings in town. Questions? Ask me directly in the comments below. Stay tuned, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Goldthread.